Okay, now this tile that's going to be going underneath the shower seat on the other side of the leg over here, underneath there. In order for it to fit and be level, I got to taper the mud on here. So what I'm going to have to do, as you see I've got it built up here at the top, then I'm going to have to taper this down here, down to about 1/4 of an inch. And so that's what I'm in the process of doing. So that way it'll be level when it's in place. Okay, I'll show you how I'm going to do that next. Okay, now I've had to customize this. As you see, it's quite a bit thicker here and it tapers down. Alright, and then I put some little clumps to fill in any gaps that may exist, just to reinsure that everything's solid and 100% covered. Then any excess will come out, will ooze out of it, and it'll be in place and I'll have it level. So next is putting it in place. Okay, at this point I'm going to try to do this where I can show you. I've got it marked right underneath the top here. Let's see if I can get that in view. All right, you see the 2 black lines. When this tile reaches the other side, that should be about level there. Okay, now I'm going to put my my torpedo level on this. And you can see it needs to come out just a little bit more to be level, which tells me I'm going to have to put even more thin set on the back of this tile, or put some on the wall, and I'll probably just put some on the wall to make the difference up. That way I get a nice, good, solid adhesion to this under here, and it'll be really nice, and it'll be like this one over here when I'm done. And then once I get this one in, I'll be able to put on the back piece, and then for the lid just underneath it. All right. Okay, it's going to take a little bit of work, but now I will be able to pound and press this tile in to just the other side of this black line. You see the 2 lines right there. So I go inside the first line, and when I get it to that point, it's going to be fine. As you see this, I can get it, excess thin set will press out, and I will have this level at that point. I've also marked the floor. As you can see, let me find it here. All right, so this needs to come forward a bit, and that's why you want to mark the floor. So I can need to slide this out. Okay, now it's right where it needs to be. Right here. Let me find it again. I'm sorry. All right, there's the line. So I just need to move this over and get this and we'll get this past my marks up there, and we will be level. Actually plumb, and we will be plumb. All right, straight and even. You want to plumb. That way the next piece that goes in, it will definitely be a straight cut and save you a little extra work, and just makes it quicker and easier in the big picture. So all right, thanks for watching. And again, if you're just channel surfing here on YouTube, like, subscribe, please. Look, appreciate it if you do subscribe and you haven't. So all right, bye for now. Take care. God bless. And have a happy new year. Bye for now. Bye.